This is a review of the Logitech Illuminated keyboard, and after a day of use, I really love it. I seriously do love it. It really helps in the dark. In fact, last night I turned all the lights off, as you saw, and I just used it with no other lights than my TV and my little LEDs on. It lights up pretty quick too. You press it once, it lights up. You can't see it during the day, but it's alright. So yeah, the keys are pretty good. It feels like a laptop when you're typing on it. Yeah, I like the grip too. The handrest down here too. It's very soft, very comfortable, and this is overall easy to use. Plus, this keyboard is super thin. If I had to compare it, this would be as maybe an inch thicker than the Apple's Mac keyboard, the new one. That's very, very small and thin. Yeah, so the media function keys are pretty handy. Going across, you have the internet homepage, email, search, messenger. Now you can assign these keys to whatever you want them to be. This is document flip through, but I really think it's more designed for Vista's arrow flip. I think this is a program loader. I think this is a document viewer. This ejects your CD tray. See what I mean? This is the music selector. You press this and your media player of choice pops up. You got your forward back, pause play, and the other keys that are usually down here. Now, this key right here is supposed to be down here, but instead it's a function key. And here you have your mute, turn down volume, turn up volume, and your brightness control for your keyboard. Overall, I give the keyboard a 10 out of 10. This is first for me because I've never had this happen before. So yeah, now on to the software review.
Okay, so this is going to be the review of the Logitech Illuminated keyboard driver software. Well, actually, this comes with mostly any of the Logitech keyboard and mouse series, since this is targeted. This says you can adjust the mouse speed, which I don't have a Logitech mouse. So yeah, here it says what type of keyboard you have, Logitech Illuminated obviously. Here you can set the multimedia keys and what they can do, like for email you can select what email you can have it set to, like Gmail, Windows Live Mail, Windows Live Hotmail. I'm pretty sure that just opens up a browser and gets you to Hotmail. Messenger, now I can only set it to MSN Messenger for some reason. I wish I could send it to Skype. Calculator, yeah, it's calculator. Media player, you can choose between whatever media players you have on your computer. For some reason it says real player is real one player, but oh well, I can live with it. And task 3 is setting what else they can do, like launch a program and other stuff like that. Tools is basically support and downloads and help with your keyboard and stuff like that. Let's see, is there anything else here? Not really. Check for updates. I like the driver software a lot. I just like setting my own programs to specific keys on my keyboard. Now, this little box down here, what this does is that instead of the F keys acting as regular F keys, you can actually set them as the like when you click them, when you press down on the F keys, they actually act as the orange function keys instead of the regular F keys. So whenever you want to press an F key, like say if you're in Medal of Honor and you want to do a quick save, you have to press down the orange function key and then press F5 in order for it to work. And also with the Cam Studio, which I'm using to record my screen right now, I have to press down the orange function key and then F2 to record. Yeah, it takes like a second more, but it's worth it if you want to get those quick media functions. So yeah, this concludes this video. I give the driver software a 5 out of a 4 out of 5. The 4 being it's just a bit bland and simple. So yeah, overall, this keyboard set gets a 14 out of 15. Yeah, I know. Alright, so I'm going to press the orange function key again and then press F3 to end this video.